the lowest hanging fruit possible. Because I mean, in reality, these markets they do not owe you anything at all, and sometimes you just got to get what you can get and get out and go enjoy your day. Because like if you're sitting there with like a bunch of open profit and you're not taking your profit, you're like, oh well, I can get more. Oh, it's almost up to that 1,000 mark, and then it comes the whole way back down. It takes you out when you could have had $500, and that's $500 that you didn't have before. So I think a lot of people are just too entitled when it comes to trading. So I want to see these two averages really catch up with the Dow, but so Dow repriced that inefficiency. Okay, so there's a stop loss. I believe that, yeah, so it was like 0.28% risk, so I'm not really worried about that. It's a very small loss. And then ES just traded into this rejection block. And you can see this 5-minute order block was traded too. Nice reaction off of that. And then we are nearing that 10:30 hour, which is where so I think I'm gonna go long here. Right at that volume imbalance. Boom. Sell limit will be at these highs. And then sell stop below the order block here. So right in that volume imbalance on what long, the ideal long would be at this order block right here. It can dip below that and come into here once more, but ideally you want to see this stay open and then come up for the highs here. So once again, we have SMT here, SMT divergence. That's just one confluence. It's not why I'm taking the trade. So it's dipping back into here. Order block's the last line of defense. That's why I have my sell stop there. And then if we get stopped out here, that'll end the day. So once you have 2 losses, you just want to get out of the marketplace. And then we'll come back tomorrow and see what else we can get, or see what price gives us. So nice reaction off that order block there. Right here. You see that? That's why my sell stop was below that. And then NASDAQ, you see so we're aiming for this high and the rest of this inefficiency to fill in. On the hunt again. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. So after today, especially with the choppiness here, I don't know if I'm going to be trading. I think I'm still going to live stream, but I don't know if I'm going to place any trades Friday. Because Thursday and Friday, right before a holiday weekend, usually isn't the time where you want to be pushing trades. So NQ did push above that high. And then this order block, once again, is the 1 hour right here. Want to see it push above this black line, which is the weekly high from a while ago. So obviously the ideal entry in hindsight would have been right here, but I got long right at the volume imbalance here. I could take this off now. So yeah, I'm not surprised by this choppiness at all because it's the holiday. Or we're going into a holiday weekend. And I think that means, yeah, I think we're gonna be having a early closure tomorrow then too as well. If I'm not wrong here. And what time is it? It is 10:37. Yep. And then this is a ideal long because we are in a discount, reaching for the premium. It's kind of hard to see because I have too many lines on my chart, but yeah, you get the point. And obviously, like you were talking about NASDAQ, right? Finally getting some movement here. There we are. So now I can move my sell stop up. Move it behind this order block here. Oops. Okay. Oh, that was that short I was talking about earlier when price came back against me and hit 13.83, 13.863. Gave up on the 13.844 target. Oh, okay. Gotcha. So this tends to happen a lot. Gets close to my sell limit and it wicks off a little bit. So, the market makers, they like to watch my live streams and mess with me a little bit. So ideally, you want this to stay open. This right here. And if it doesn't stay open, you want to see it wick just a little bit into it and then go higher. And obviously it's not doing that right now, but nonetheless, you just want to see it respect this, all in all. So a nice wick rejection off of that. Very close to the sell limit here. Well done. Congrats. US 50 hit already. Good shit, brother. Glad to hear that. Everyone in this chat is the market maker. Man. I thought I knew you guys. I guess I didn't. You guys are out to get me. This could have been a pyramid entry if I was feeling putting on more risk, but nope, I'm good. I'm gonna stick to my target and my leverage. I'm good. Alright, whoever the market maker in this chat is, just cut me some slack. Stop wicking off whenever you get close to my sell limit. Just cut me some slack here, please. Then when price broke that place target at 13916. patting yourself on the back for that one. Yeah, as you should, man. Always celebrate the small wins and appreciate what you can get. And yeah, I'm glad to hear you're doing well. Can you review your trade again, please? So you can see here, I went long in this volume imbalance. I didn't wait for it to come down here, which would have been the ideal long. But so we have sell side taken here. This purple line is a rejection block. Okay, there's a sell limit. So you guys see that executed there. Hold on, Tobias. I'll get back and I'll explain in detail. So this will recap the morning here. So I went long here. Tried to get to this a premium array up here. Didn't get to it. Fell short. Came back down to break even. So $0 lost right there. Right here we went short. No, sorry. We went long. Lost about 5 handles there, which is not a big deal. And then right here we traded into the rejection block. I'll show you that now. So you see that right there? Oh, there's too much stuff on the chart. Here. See this right here, this rejection block? So it traded into the bodies right here. And then you see how it wicks off. So the body closure right here would be the rejection block. We traded into that discount. And then we showed respect. You see how the bodies are respecting this 15-minute inefficiency. So continuous respect to that. And then 5-minute order block was traded into right here on the 5-minute. Slipped into it a little bit, but it respected the midpoint, so that's all that matters. And then with time of day in mind, we're around that 10:30 hour. Like normally, like some type of reversal happens, whether it's short term or long term. We took the sell side right here, as well as sell side here. We're in a discount. Sell side was taken. Okay. We have a market structure shift above this swing high right here. And then we reprice back down in the volume imbalance and this inefficiency right here. Go long, and you aim for these relatively equal highs as well as this initial 930 inefficiency right here. So I hope that helped. And so just to show you the SMT, the low was not taken out on NASDAQ here. So